Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the smart world of Asana rules and how you can use them to auto-assign tasks. So let's get started. First things first, open your Asana project and find the Rules tab at the top. Click on it to open the Rules dashboard. This is important because rules in Asana are a powerful way to automate recurring steps in your workflow, saving you time and keeping your project streamlined. Next up, let's create a new rule. Click on the Add Rule button. A menu will pop up where you can start defining the rule. The reason we do this is to specify the conditions that will trigger the rule. Now that we've done that, let's focus on our trigger. In the Select a Trigger dropdown, choose Task is Created. This means whenever a new task is created, the rule will be activated. This helps us because it removes the manual labor of having to assign tasks individually each time they're created. Moving on, we'll set the action. Click on Select an Action and choose Assign to a specific member. Here's where you'll select the team member you want to auto-assign tasks to. This is a crucial step as it ensures tasks are instantly allocated to the right person, improving efficiency and reducing confusion. Finally, click Create Rule. Just like that, you've set up an Asana rule to auto-assign tasks. This is what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is taking note of the rule and will automatically assign every new task to the member you specified. Let me explain why this matters. By automating task assignment, you're eliminating the need for manual intervention, allowing your team to focus on the tasks at hand. Plus, it significantly reduces the chances of tasks falling through the cracks. And there you have it. You now know how to use Asana rules to auto-assign tasks. This will not only streamline your workflow, but also free up your time for more strategic tasks. So, go ahead, try it out, and let Asana's automation do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for joining in, and see you in the next tutorial.